Yo, my people, check out this intertidal zone here at the north end of the Lynn Canal. And this is a super low tide day. It almost looks like there's a little hill behind me. That's all of the water that's gone out into the sea at this low tide. That's pretty impressive, standing up here at least 10 or 15 feet above the surface of the ocean. In the next 5 or 6 hours, all this water is going to come in here and flood this area, and then it'll all go away and back and forth. It's just pretty amazing. Big tidal energy flowing here. Let's go!